Alright. Picked up this old saw. With it. Open it up. This is the case. Kind of neat. I don't know if you can see those or not. Yeah, little clips. Hold it. There she is. That's a Homelite. Homelite original and pristine condition. Very well taken care of. I'm not going to take it out of the box. I'll just show you a little close and I'll put the camera back. A really nice shape for the year. A few scuffs, but there. That's holding on to it. Original blade. I'll get rid of that rust. Really, really nice shape. All the bolts, they don't have any rust on them. Just very well preserved and taken care of. There's let's put this back up here. Oh, yeah. Go easy on it. Let's see if I can get that better. So with that, I got this bag, and that is has a owner's manual. See, it's saturated in oil from the years. It's owner's manual, and this is pretty cool. Parts list. Has all the parts there, and the names and the codes and all that stuff. There's a whole slew of information in there. Along with these two items, I also, the guy gave me a chain with it, a brand new chain or used sharpened chain. The tool to take the original tool to take the spark plug out, the chain sharpener file, and the brand new spark plug. Well, old, new, whatever. Spark plug. So that's a pretty cool unit. I really like it. I'm not even a chainsaw person. I bought it. Not necessarily that I could use it all the time for cutting wood. More or less the history and it's ancient and I really like it. And I can use it to trim small stuff around the house, but I'm not going to be cutting down a forest with it or anything like that. So anything with an engine is pretty cool. I like it. Don't know what else to say about it. It's just cool. You got your choke on this side. I'm gonna do a better video later, but your choke, and this is did I say that wrong? Yeah, choke's on the side. This one here, I believe, is, I'm not sure actually. I'll have to read that manual. Probably the amount of fuel or air. This is the choke, so I don't know what this one is. I'm not sure. There wouldn't be two chokes. I'll have to check into that. Maybe it's got something to do with the fuel. There, on-off switch and spark plug, trigger. So really neat. Stick with a little aerial here. Really nice shape. I did take the oil, check the oil. It's full of oil and full of gas. Gas is good. And the air filter was clean. Just a cool unit. Anyways, hope you enjoy this video. I will take another one with me starting it up, but when it gets a little warmer because it's really cold right now. It's minus 10. Okay, talk to you guys later.